G'day guys, it's the Aussie Engineer here. Today I'm going to take you through a really quick one as part of the Intro to Python series on F-string. So straight into it. What is it? It was introduced in PEP 498, the literal string interpolation. What it is a formatted string literals which are prefixed with F and are similar to the format string accepted by the string.format function. The string is calculated at the time of running the code using the expressions that are inside the curly brackets. The best way though is just to show you what this is. So I put together a very simple code example here to show you what the F string does. And you'll note here we've just set a couple of variables, so loan amount and interest rate, and then just a standard print and then the F print. So when I talked about the F string, the F is thrown at the front of the string brackets like so. The other thing you'll note in this is you can set with float numbers how much precision there is, and you can do calculations inside this expression as well. So to show you what that will look like, if we come down to down the bottom, you'll see in the first instance, there's been no exchange of the loan inside the curly brackets for our variable. The second one has swapped it out here. This third print statement has given us this value to 2 figures. And then lastly, you can see that it's calculated the loan multiplied by the interest rate. Guys, I really hope this one quite simply explained F-string to you. Look for more in the Python intro series, and have a great day.